Thursday. Gathering outside the Margaret Chase Smith Federal Building, people say the bill the U.S. Senate unveils Thursday is a major disappointment. Megan Clowder, a young girl living with diabetes, says this bill would be catastrophic for those with pre-existing conditions.
It's very important that we get this message out there because, like myself, there are young people out there, there are old people out there are people out there with pre-existing conditions, with very expensive treatments that are absolutely vital.
Clowder also expressing frustration with Congressman Poliquin, saying he never took the time to listen to his constituents before voting on the House version of the plan. She says she hopes Senator Collins will hear them. In a statement from Collins' communications director, Annie Clark, she says, quote, Senator Collins will carefully review the text of the Senate health care bill this weekend and into the weekend. She has a number of concerns and will be particularly interested in examining the forthcoming CBO analysis on the impact on insurance coverage, the effect on insurance premiums, and the changes in the Medicaid program. And while Senator Collins remains undecided on the Senate health care bill, King is very adamantly against it. In a video released on his Facebook page, King shows his distaste for this bill, calling it a really cruel bill that will have devastating effects in Maine. He also says it will increase health care costs for seniors and have massive cuts in Medicaid. And on top of how it will affect people, he's also concerned about the economy.
And it's going to have a devastating effect economically in Maine on our hospitals and on our rural health care system. And all of this in the name of a huge tax cut for the wealthiest Americans. The top 2% are the ones that get the benefit, and really to be taking health care away from disabled people, the elderly in nursing homes, so very wealthy people can get a tax cut just doesn't make sense for me.
The Senate is set to get a CBO score before voting on it in the coming weeks.